Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some changes in the same class file. Look at this class file, class high, but we have changed some code inside this class file. So I'm going to copy again, copy, then go back to the text editor, then I paste again, exactly the same name with the class name, the file name should be. Then I want to save this file, just save. Okay, now you see the code is here, so I'm going to run first, then I will explain the code. Okay, go back to CMD. Okay, then I'm going to run Java C. So once you change anything, remember, very important, once you change anything inside the Java code, you must have to compile first. Okay, then you must have to compile first, so it will create the new i.class file, Java. Okay, so there is no problem in the code. So now you can see hi.class file is already created. So I'm going to show you the output from here. So the command will be Java, name of the class file hi. Then I enter first. Okay, you look at the output. Okay, if you look at the output here, so what is the output showing here? Okay, you look at the output. So the showing here, welcome to Java. Okay, now look at the code. How actually we got welcome to Java. Class hi, public static void main string argument. Okay. Now the condition is here. Based on the condition, it will give you the output. The condition here is if a dot length, that means a, this is the a dot length equal, double equal sign. That means we are going to test whether the length is 0 or not. Whether the length is 0 or not. That means if you don't put any values, then it will show you the first condition, system.out.print line, welcome to Java. You see, I did not put anything here. That's why I just put Java hi. So it will show you the first argument is true, show you welcome to Java. Now go to the next statement. If you put any name, any values, then the first condition will be false. The length will be no more 0. It will be more than 0. Then it will show you the output. This is the first Java program of whatever you input the value there. In the first location of the array, it will show you the value you put. Okay, now I'm going to now put a value here, Java hi. I just put my name, Sohail. So it's supposed to show you the second condition. This condition is no more true, so it's false. Then it goes to the else condition, and it will show you that this is the first Java program of Sohail. Okay, let's see the output. Yes. So now I'm going to run this one with more than one names. Maybe I can use my first name and last name, right? So again, I put the command Java. Then I'm going to use hi. Then I'm going to use my first name and also my last name. So what happened here? What happened? Look at here. Still, you can see it will give you the first. This is the first Java program of the first value you input. Okay, that means we are only getting only the first element. This is located at A0. Okay, now if you want to show more than one values or more than one names, so now you need to change this code so that it can read more than one names and it can display according to your input values. So I'm going to change again this code so that we can run more than one names, more than two names, or more than one names. Okay, now I'm going to copy this one, and then again I'm going to change here. Remember, the class name is still same. So no need to change the class name. This is hi. No need to change the file name hi.java. Remember, H is capital. Save again. Now, once you change this code, you must have to compile first. Okay, I'm going to compile again. Java C hi.java. So now it will create again the class file. I'm going to show you again. You see hi.class file is created, but this is with this new content. Okay. Now I'm going to run with the more than one names. Okay. Java hi, my first name and my second name and my, for example, initial. Okay, 3 values is there. Okay, now look at here. How many values we put here? If you look at here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, once you run this one, the element of the array will be actually 3. So length will be 3. Remember, length will be 3. So I'm going to run this one. You see there, this is the first Java program of Sohail site. Then the initial, my initial is MD. Okay, now look at the code here. Public static void main string argument. So same things is here. If the length a dot length is 0, that means if you don't put anything here, it will show you the first output welcome to Java. Otherwise, it will give you the output based on the input based on your inputs. Okay, system.out.println. This is the first Java program of. Then you use the for loop because we're going to save more than one names. For I equal to 0, remember we are going to put the loop I less than a dot length. Okay, now look at here. How many actually names we put here? 1, 2, and 3. What will be the length for this array? It must be based on the array elements 1, 2, and 3. So it will be 3. So it will convert this line I less than 3. I plus plus. Now go here, system.out.print. So it will print and print line. There is 2 commands. If you use the print line, it goes to the next line. It will show you the output. If you use the print, then it will show you in the same line. You look at here, it show you the output in the same line. That's why the print. Then we put a space here. So before it print the output, it makes one space. Then I. So first value it will take A0. What is the first element of the array we put? Sohail. So it will get the Sohail. Then second element will be side and third element will be MD. So it will loop again. I equal to 1. Then it goes to the I1. The value will be side and then again loop. This is 2. Then I less than 3. Also true. It will take the last element MD. Then again it will loop. Now I equal to 3 and then it comes here I less than 3 is false, exit from the loop. In the meantime, we can get the output. This is the first Java program of Sohail side, then my initial MD. Okay, I hope you understand this one.